1,000 subs, baby. Thousand subs. Woo! All right, everybody. It's Crypto Moose, and the moose is loose. We got 1,000 subs. Just want to thank you all. It's been incredible. I quit now. I'm done. I quit. The moose is loose. He's done now. So what we're going to do is just go over the Dega rewards. We're going to give you an update. I've now reached 1,000 subs and just over 10,000 Dega tokens, which is really cool. So by the way, just wanted to remind you guys, we do have online courses. We have a free Cardano course, so definitely check that out below. And like, comment, and subscribe. You guys have been helping. You guys have done everything. So I don't really know what else to say. So I'm trying to load Twitter. It's being a little weird and goofy right now. But yeah, guys, so I'm pretty stoked. Like, this channel has been booming and growing. So we got that to cover. And then we're also going to cover a little bit of the challenge. But I'm trying to get Twitter to load here. So if we take a look at all my wallets here, the main one, the Trezor Model T, 8,000 Dega already from that wallet. My Ledger, almost 2,000, so 1,700. And 200 with the Nether wallet. I've got a few wallets. So for those of you wondering, you can set up and you can stake using different wallets. So I did that from the very beginning. And yeah, it's just been really exciting. So it's nice seeing all these rewards come in, right? So for you to check out rewards, you're just going to go to dega.org. So maybe we could even go back here for a second. So this is dega.org. Then you're going to go to rewards dashboard, and that's where you're going to see this. So for whatever reason, Twitter is not uploading. But the other thing I wanted to get into is that there's a challenge. So if we get 40 million Cardano staked or delegated to the Dega 1 stake pool, we can double or triple our rewards, something like that. So if you take a look here, and we went over it briefly on the live stream, but none of you guys are watching the live stream yet. You are all missing out. By the way, this video will be out today. It's 3:24 a.m. I just pitched a project. Wish me luck in the comment section. I just pitched a pretty big project. If I get it, the moose is going to be reeling in those tokens. Going to be fishing, baby. So we got 26 million Dega delegated right now. We need 14 million more. I'm optimistic, but I really feel like we're not going to make that challenge happen. We got too far to go. And if you look at the curve here, it looks like we're kind of flatlining. I'm just being honest. So comment down below what you guys think. But even if we add 2 million every epoch, it's just not happening. So, you know, we went up right away to like 22 mil, but I just don't see us doing it. The numbers are going even lower now. So I want to keep this video short and sweet. We do have tutorials as well. So, but what I want you to do is go to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Type in Dega, and I've got a step-by-step video for you guys. Dega ISPO, delegate now. You can also pick up a Trezor Model T. I have links down in the description below for you. Save yourself up to 20% off. And we also have that free Cardano mini course. So check it out. And that's all we have for you guys. Happy Sunday. We got a lot of content for you this week. I'm going to be filming a lot tonight. So we'll see you guys in the next one.